Hey, welcome to our channel, WEFTech. In the world of innovation, where vision meets resistance, there exists a name that revolutionized transportation, energy, and the very fabric of modern industry. Tesla. But before we talk about the company, we must look at the man behind the name, Nikola Tesla. A genius of the late 19th and early 20th century, Tesla envisioned a world powered by electricity, free from fossil fuels. His groundbreaking work in alternating current, wireless energy transmission, and electric motors laid the foundation for what would come a century later. It was only fitting that in 2003, a new company, Tesla Motors, was named in his honor. The birth of Tesla. Tesla Motors was founded in 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, two engineers who believed electric cars could be more than just slow, impractical machines. Their idea was bold: to create a sleek, high-performance electric vehicle that could rival sports cars. But as with every great invention, they needed funding, and in 2004, a new player entered the Elon Musk, fresh from selling PayPal to eBay, had a vision that extended beyond online payments. Investing $6.5 million, he became Tesla's largest shareholder and chairman. Under his leadership, Tesla pushed forward, developing its first vehicle, the Tesla Roadster. The Roadster and Tesla's first crisis. But Tesla's road to success was anything but smooth. By 2008, the company was on the brink of collapse. Their first vehicle, the Tesla Roadster, had faced production delays and cost overruns. Yet when it finally launched, the world took notice. This wasn't just an electric car, it was a high-performance machine, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds. However, the global financial crisis hit hard. Tesla was bleeding money, and survival seemed uncertain. In a desperate move, Musk invested his personal fortune, keeping the company afloat. A critical lifeline arrived in the form of a $465 million loan from the U.S. Department of Energy. Tesla had bought itself time. The turning point: SpaceX enters orbit. Then, on September 28, 2008, everything changed. Falcon 1 launched for the 4th time. The world watched as the rocket roared into the sky. And this time, it didn't fail. It reached orbit, becoming the first privately developed liquid-fueled rocket to do so. The impossible had just become possible. And then, as if the universe had been waiting for that moment, salvation arrived. Just weeks after the historic launch, NASA awarded SpaceX a $1.6 billion contract to develop cargo missions for the International Space Station. SpaceX had not only survived, it had become a key player in the space industry. Falcon 9 and the rise of reusable rockets in 2012, SpaceX made history again. Its Dragon spacecraft became the first commercial vehicle to dock with the International Space Station, proving that private companies could now supply space missions. But Musk had an even bigger vision: reusable rockets. Traditional rockets were discarded after a single flight, wasting billions of dollars. SpaceX won a Model S. Then came the game changer, the Tesla Model S. Launched in 2012, this sleek all-electric sedan shattered expectations. With cutting-edge battery technology an impressive range, and a futuristic touchscreen interface, the Model S won accolades worldwide, proving that electric cars weren't just viable. They were superior. But Tesla's ambitions didn't stop with cars. Musk envisioned a future where sustainable energy powered the world. Tesla expanded into solar energy, home batteries, and gigafactories, massive production facilities designed to scale battery manufacturing. The company was no longer just an automaker. It was an energy revolution in motion. Mass market and the Model 3 revolution. By 2016, Tesla was leading the self-driving revolution. Autopilot, a semi-autonomous driving system, made headlines. Meanwhile, the Model 3, Tesla's affordable electric car, became the best-selling EV in the world. Demand soared, but production struggled. Critics called it production hell. Yet Tesla persevered. Tesla's global domination and new frontiers. By 2020, Tesla was no longer just a car company. It was an empire. Its stock price soared, making it the most valuable automaker in history. But Musk wasn't done. Tesla shocked the world with the unveiling of the Cybertruck, a futuristic bulletproof electric pickup. Though met with mixed reactions, it symbolized Tesla's relentless drive to innovate. Beyond cars, Tesla expanded into AI and robotics, unveiling the Tesla Bot, an autonomous humanoid robot. Meanwhile, its full self-driving software continued to evolve, bringing Tesla closer to its ultimate goal, fully autonomous vehicles, the era of space domination. Then, in 2018, came one of the most iconic moments in spaceflight history. SpaceX launched the Falcon Heavy, the most powerful rocket since the Saturn V. And to demonstrate its capability, it carried an unusual payload. Elon Musk's personal Tesla Roadster, complete with a mannequin astronaut, Starman, floating through space while playing David Bowie's Space Oddity. It was a moment of spectacle, but also one of triumph. SpaceX was proving that the future of space travel belonged to innovators, not bureaucracies. Starship and the future of Mars colonization, but Falcon Heavy was just the beginning. SpaceX was now developing a new spacecraft, one designed to take humans beyond Earth, beyond the Moon, to Mars. They called it Starship. Unlike any rocket before, Starship is designed to be fully reusable, capable of carrying over 100 people on interplanetary missions. If successful, it will become the most powerful rocket in human history. In 2020, SpaceX achieved another milestone. The Crew Dragon spacecraft successfully carried NASA astronauts to the International Space Station, marking the first time. A private company launched humans into orbit. The future moon, Mars, and beyond. With the success of Crew Dragon, SpaceX now sets its sights higher. It is working with NASA's Artemis program to return humans to the moon by 2026. And beyond that, the ultimate goal remains: Mars colonization. Elon Musk envisions a future where humanity is a multi-planetary species. He believes that SpaceX's Starship will one day carry the first settlers to Mars, laying the foundation for a new civilization. If you like our content, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.